Hey everyone, this is Nate from Geezer Skate, and in this episode we're going to put some fresh grip on this old board. Thanks to a comment from Ragnar Silverbeard, who requested to see some fresh grip on this bad boy, that's what we're doing today. I was a little hesitant to do this because it's got all these rivets in here from the, I believe they were called sex bolts back then, and so it's going to be a little bit more challenging to take it off and then to put on fresh grip here, but I think we're up for the challenge. Plus I'm going to show you a trick to get that nice clean circle cut out for that sick Powell Peralta dragon graphic. So before we begin, I'm going to go over the tools we're going to use today. 1. A simple hair dryer. Thanks to my lovely wife who let me borrow the one from the guest bathroom. Need your skate tool, the one I'm using today from Switch Supply. It's the handiest one I've found so far. Then also a Phillips head screwdriver, because sometimes it's a little easier with an actual screwdriver. Kids, get your parents' permission. A razor blade. Alright, let's start this out. Alright, first things first. We need to remove all of these bolts. And since there's a nose bone, a tail bone, and these rib bones, in addition to the trucks, there's a lot of nuts and bolts here. Check that out. That piece of the board probably has not seen the light of day since these were put on in the early 80s. That's incredible. Tracker Extra Trucks, made in the USA. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's pretty darn cool. Oh, that's a tracker riser pad also. That's cool. No, a space pad actually is what that was known as. Tracker space pad. We're gonna turn on our blow dryer and then just start working the edges here and get it nice and warm, and then that should loosen up the glue underneath. Oh, that is hot! I'm gonna take a razor blade and see about there it is, de-gripped. I'm going to go outside and take some of these scraps of grip here, and I'm just going to rub it across here, just see if I can get some of the stickiness off of here. I'm already skirting enough danger doing this project right here at the kitchen table, so I don't think I'll push my luck anymore, and I'm going to do this part outside. The top of these old Powell decks all had the Dragon logo on there for many, many years before they've switched over to the Ripper logo. So the Powell Dragon, as you can see, has got a very circular shape here. So to get that nice cutout, I'm going to get a lid from some of our Tupperware and Tupperware knockoffs and see what fits this shape here approximately. And it looks like this nice Betty Crocker lid is going to do the trick. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sheet of grip tape. Got this also from Switch Supply. And I'm going to, and that's about where we want that. And that's about where our dragon is. An older pair of scissors or razor blade to make these cuts around here, because this will dull the heck out of whatever it is that you're trying to cut. Since I wasn't able to get these rivets out, there's probably going to be a major cardinal sin here, but I'm going to cover the rivets with the grip tape. After a job like that, it's good to have a refreshing beverage like San Pellegrino. This video is in no way sponsored by San Pellegrino, but if they'd like to ship us a few cases, I wouldn't mind. I can't wait to ride this with the fresh grip on here. As you saw from the previous video, I had a little trouble staying on, and I'm going to blame it on the old grip tape. This is Nate for Geezer Skate, thanking you for watching this video. Why don't you watch one of the next ones coming up? It'll be really good too. Keep skating, stop aging.